Lomai said what was demanded of them was not practical at the time, and he is disappointed that they were penalized for something they couldn't help.
Nobody can even access the center, including the lawyers, the journalists, the lawyers, and even some other international organization. So that's the reason why when we got instruction, it was done covertly. And so I did it, I put it in my affidavit so that the judges will appreciate how I got the instruction.
The dismissal of the summary judgment application yesterday was based on technicalities questioning the competency of the application. The refugees' efforts for the courts to recognize human rights violation against them began last year. Since then, it has been an emotional roller coaster as they await their claims for justice.
The detainees have lost all heart, really, and all hope associated with what the law and getting justice according to the law. In April this year, when the Supreme Court first found that Manus Island should be closed, there was a real hope associated with the people on Manus Island. We're now 6 months later, and we're no closer to getting the resolution that the court offered in April 2016, six months ago. So people are going to be tremendously disappointed at this decision. It's done nothing. Their hopes in the law are not encouraged one little bit by these kinds of technical decisions.
The refugee team say the fundamental issue for the human rights claim has not been altered by this decision, and they will continue to seek justice.
The legal issues that were at issue, there is no question the NAMA decision indicated very clearly that the human rights are being breached on Manus Island, have been breached since people were unlawfully brought here in 2013. That has not changed.
This time we will include about 1,000 people together in just the one application. And even those that are in overseas, they can still give us instruction and we include them as well.
Sarah Aupong, National EMTV News.